Hey, so we just checked in-ish. I think they said they're getting the room ready right now. Look at this place. Crazy. And outside, the weather is really tepid and really warm. It's really warm. It's really nice here. I mean, obviously, it's going to be better than Oregon, but that's sun. We were being checked in at that point, and it led us to here. And as you can tell, I am very, very tired. I keep repeating myself. It was actually at this point where we went to the restaurant from episode 1 and I ate that taco salad. Right now I'm showing how big this condo was that we rented that was way too much for just the two of us. But it was still amazing and allowed us to decompress and relax. We also had a nice little kitchen right there, see? And all of our stuff that we bought from Costco that made our little breakfast. This is the little sitting area that I never used once except for to set my book down. And I'm looking at the rest of the rooms, the opposite master suite. This is the patio that we had breakfast on every morning. Hello everybody. We are here at an unpronounceable park. I like Kapaloa something national park. And if you zoom ahead, this is what we're, oh, is that a squirrel? This is what we were looking at. I don't know if you can hear my voice rattling, but the road itself is pretty, is pretty rugged. Good thing that my partner here rented a midsize SUV. We got a Nissan Rogue Sport, and this is the little park we're going to today. Hopefully we're going to see another, like maybe 1 or 2 parks. It's only noon, but because we're 3 hours ahead, it feels like it's the mid-afternoon for us. But this is our little adventure, and this is what we're going to for now. We're almost here. Look at this beautiful, oh my god, a car drove here. I don't know about all that. Here, hello, we're here. We're right here in the sea. We got this beautiful vista in the view. Pretty nice. I don't know, we're just adventuring around. We've got this ugly sky over here just waiting for it to rain. It's gonna get bad, but it's okay. For now, this is what we're doing, just adventuring around, seeing what we can see. This was just like a 20-minute drive from where we were at, and there's another park over that way, which we'll probably see on the way home, but for now, good view. So, from here, these beautiful beaches that we see right there, we actually kept looking and walking around, checking out these little mini pockets of nature with amazing views, and if you could feel the heat from the sun, it would be great. But from here, we went down a path that led us to a few more beaches, and we saw some turtles. Hello! So we're on a walk. It's a little hike. Ala Kahapakui Park Trail. It's about a couple mile trail, which I don't know if we're gonna go the whole way, but we're gonna go some of the way. Most of it looks like this. Looks like we're walking around in a jungle. It's pretty beautiful, really nice, picturesque, and a really nice, I'm trying to get a base tan, so when I come back to Oregon, I look like a real brown person, as opposed to the fake one, I guess, that people say. But for now, this is a really exciting experience, very fun, very glad I came. And it's a really nice trip to have, especially after COVID and everything closing down and everybody being so tense and everything going on. Luckily, I'm super blessed. I have a great life, a great job, good crew. I don't really have too many stressors. So as you can see, there's no end to these beautiful vistas and craziness that we can see out here. Look. This trail is pretty nice. It follows the coast. It goes from one end, from one parking area to the next, and it is just, I don't know, it's like a screensaver. Hey, it was here that we got to the Kikaua State Park, the little snorkeling area. People were over here looking at these turtles that will come up in about 2 seconds. There was a regulation that we had to stay about, there they are, about 20 feet away, which is about the size of the first knuckle of your thumb if you're standing away from it. They were just sitting there in the water, looking like rocks, and just swimming around. You see the little... From here, we walked down the beach to the actual snorkeling beach and volcanic rocks. And that's where we encountered Betty. There she is, a turtle that was raised in captivity, released, and comes back to this beach instead of going out and laying eggs at far places. Yep, from here, we were just headed back to the car and ready to roll for the day. And this is the end for about right now until we're driving out. It was super, super bumpy, really funny, and Joe's GoPro actually kept the footage really, really steady. So we're just driving out. If you actually look at the dash right there, you can see it wobbling, going different areas, different angles, extreme angles, and look at the picture of the foreground. It's actually staying really straight. It was pretty impressive, and you guys can't feel the bumps, but I was laughing the whole time because it was actually pretty nuts to me that this was a main road technically to this area. We were actually driving over to the other side where we actually saw the turtles. I kind of changed out the edits so that we didn't have to do this in between jumping, because we really went to a visitor center. The visitor center actually had a park ranger that told us about Betty and told us about different areas, and from there we walked to the actual calm snorkeling beach and the volcanic rocks of the Kikaua Point Park, because this, I guess, was just a little stop next to a whole bunch of hotels and resorts. And when I look at it on a satellite picture, I literally can't find where we went. It was just so weird. It's just covered with a whole bunch of housing on that area in the Kikaua Bay, I believe. So all in all, it was a good day. Very nice, sunny, relaxing, and I believe this is all we did for the duration of that day. It was a nice closeout. Midday we went and shopped and got some food and went back and just relaxed for the day. All right, bye.